Okay, so this is a nice little setup that I've got. It's a Festool CTM 36EACHD with auto clean. I've got my 4-gain Festool extension lead plugged into the top, which I plug my hoover into, so I can move this around as a complete unit wherever I'm chasing out or working. Makes it so much easier, and I can plug anything that I want into there for power all the time, or anything that I want to then use, like my chase machine, when I want it to come on with the hoover, I plug into here. Makes it so much easier. So great bit of kit from Festool, fantastic, absolutely love it. I'm not liking that, is it? Steady. That's even worse. No.